Hello, my dear student. Once again, A.S.S Science Foundation is here with a success story of one of our student, MANISHA Sharma. So she was studying with us at the offline Delhi center along with the online classes. She has done her B.SC in Life Sciences from Delhi University Kalindi College. Subsequently, she pursued her Masters in Natural Resource Management from Guru Gobind Singh Independent University, popularly known as IP University. So after that, she was preparing for NET-JRF and all other competitive exams with us at the offline center. In that series, she qualified a JRF. After that, she was preparing hard for the interviews at all the places such as IITs and ISER and CSIR lab. In that series, she got finally selected at NPL, National Physical Laboratory in Department of Chemical Sciences with a full PhD program with NET-JRF. On such remarkable feat, the entire team of A.S.S Science Foundation congratulate Manisha Sharma and wish her good luck for the future PhD journey. At present, Institute is offering NET-JRF Environmental Sciences program in offline, online, and correspondence with video mode for June 2024. Institute is also offering GATE Ecology Evolution and GATE Environmental Sciences and Engineering for 2025 attempt. Institute also providing specialized training for life sciences master student who are targeting the CUET PG or masters in life science domain as well as environment. A specialized program for the interview guidance and the proposal writing is also provided with the institute. Those who are willing to pursue their masters and PhD from Europe or USA can also reach us. So those who are willing to crack the NET-JRF exam or GATE exam in one go without wasting their time must reach us immediately on the given numbers through our web page or our Instagram page or Facebook page, because the attempt is sure and the exam is about to happen from 10 to 20th of June. So those who are interested, they can reach us. Once again, we would like to congratulate Manisha Sharma for such a remarkable feat. Thank you.